If you're looking for the best robot vacuum and mop combo, the Eufy S1 and the Ecovacs T30S are two of the top contenders. But which one truly comes out on top? There's one key difference that might make or break your decision. Let's talk about what these vacuums have in common because they share a lot of impressive features. First, obstacle avoidance. Both the Eufy S1 and the Ecovacs T30S have excellent obstacle detection. In my house, this means they generally don't get stuck on toys that the kids have left on the floor or cords that weren't tucked away. Both avoid obstacles extremely well and get stuck very rarely. They both have excellent suction and vacuum both hard floors and carpets very well. Each vacuum has an intuitive, easy-to-use app that lets you set schedules, adjust cleaning modes, create no-go zones, and review cleaning reports. Both the Eufy and Ecovacs apps give you a smooth, user-friendly experience. Both models have base stations that automatically empty the dustbin, wash and dry the mop, empty dirty water, and refill clean water, so you don't have to worry about frequent manual emptying. All I have to do is refill and empty the water at the station once a week and change the vacuum bag every couple months. Now let's break down what really sets these two apart. The Eufy S1 uses a high-speed roller mop that's exceptional at scrubbing and removing tough stains. For me, it successfully tackled everything from dried-on juice and mud to smashed banana, and its rolling design allows it to continuously wash the mop, so it doesn't spread around stickiness until the next mop like mini robots do. It covers a large area efficiently. It can do my 880 square foot main floor on a single charge, and it leaves minimal streaking. The Ecovacs T30S cleans beautifully also, though maybe not quite as perfectly as the S1. But it has dual spinning mop pads that can extend the mop out to hug the edges and clean that inch that almost no other robots, including the Eufy S1, can get to. I love this feature. With a house full of kids and pets, messes don't always stay neatly in the middle of the floor. I love that it can grab crumbs and clean sticky messes all the way to the baseboard. So which one is the winner? If you want the best overall cleaning performance with beautiful streak-free floors every single time, the Eufy S1 is the way to go. But if edge-to-edge cleaning is a priority and you want to ensure no dust or dirt is left behind, the Ecovacs T30S is the better pick.